Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of moist banana cake. In a bowl add 3 bananas mashed, add 3/4 cup of sugar, mix it, add 2 eggs and mix. Add 1/3 cup of milk and mix. Add 1/3 cup of melted butter and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix. Add 1 and 1/4 cup sieved flour and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and mix. Add half tablespoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix. Add 1.5 tablespoon of roasted walnuts chopped and mix. The batter is now ready. Pour the batter in a greased baking pan lined with parchment paper. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then put the baking pan in the oven and bake for 45 minutes. Once the cake is cooled, unmold the cake in a plate and cut into slices. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.